Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to get your Squarespace website on Google. So from the home menu, you will have to go to marketing. You will just have to navigate. And if you do not have that option, then it's most probably because you do not have the full version of the website. So you have to make sure that you do have the full access before proceeding to the next steps. So after you go to marketing, you will have to go to SEO and fill in your site title and SEO description. Then you will have to go to settings and then connected accounts, and then you will have to connect your Google account. Then now you will have to open your Google search console, and then you will have to add your site using your full URL, then submit your sitemap. You will type in yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. Then you will also use keywords in page titles and add alt text for images to boost ranking. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.